Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, we are from Group 4. Today we will present our topic entitled Influencer Culture about benefit and risks for society. The first of all, let us introduce ourselves. The first one is me. My name is Najwa Nur Anidah.
I'm Vanisha Azira, and I'm Manisa Puspita Dewi.
We hope this presentation can give you a clear understanding of how influencers impact society both positively and negatively.
Let us start this presentation and listen to our presentation carefully.
Influencer culture has become a defining feature of the contemporary digital ecosystem, reshaping how individuals seek information, construct identities, and engage with markets and public discourse. Social media influencers act as opinion leaders who bridge interpersonal communication and mass media, creating persuasive narratives that can simultaneously entertain, inform, and mobilize their audiences. As brands, institutions, and even political actors increasingly rely on influencers to reach targeted communities, understanding the benefits and risks of this culture has become a pressing concern for scholars and policymakers. Influencer culture exerts profound influence on society, evident in the massive scale of its industry and the deep psychological bond formed with audiences. Economically, the global influencer marketing market reached approximately $24 billion in 2024 and is projected to exceed $30 billion soon. As brands increasingly rely on influencers to shape consumer decisions. Socially and psychologically, studies show that most young users view influencers as trusted, relatable figures, enabling their message to sway lifestyles, consumption choices, and attitudes towards mental health and body image, both positively and negatively.
And risks of influencer for society. The first one is becoming content creator. So social media have enabled many people to build career as content creator. These careers can be entrepreneurial like selling products or service and creative like video production or writing and the service oriented like education and coaching. Okay, next is brand partnership and sponsorship. So, influencers create opportunities for partnership with brands and sponsorship deals. This collaboration can bring income to creators and help small business reach target audience efficiently. Okay, next, the second is positive information spread. So, influencer can accelerate the spread of useful information. For example, like public health message, educational content, or civic information when they are partnered with experts or organizations. So, studies of health campaigns show that when influencers are correctly engaged, they can increase reach and improve knowledge or behavior. Okay, next is rapid awareness and fast communication. Influencer can build a rapid awareness about event, crises, or campaigns because their posts can go viral quickly. They are valuable for rapid communication. And the last one is encouraging creativity and digital skill development. Engaging with influencers often encourage followers to learn digital production skills like video editing, content strategy, or social analytics, and the creativity. Okay, next is the risks of influencer for society. So the first one is lifestyle pressure. Influencers often display curated lifestyle and material consumption that can set unrealistic expectations about wealth, appearance, or daily life. that constant exposure can promote materialism and pressure to emulate lifestyles that are unattainable for many followers. And the second is unhealthy comparison culture. Repeated exposure to idealized image and highlight reels increase social comparison and can harm mental well-being, particularly among adolescents and young adults. Multiple review and empirical studies connect influencers with higher levels of comparison and body image concern and anxiety in susceptible groups. And the third is spread of misinformation. Influencer can amplify misinformation, especially about wealth, politics, or consumer product when the content is not evidence-based or when the creator have commercial incentive. And the last one is promotion harmful product. So, influencers sometimes promote products that are unsafe, ineffective, and exploitative like diet supplements, dubious medical tests, and unverified treatment. Okay, that's all from me. And the next slide will explain by Najwa.
For our study case, we choose Dr. Amira Abdad, SPOG. Dr. Amira Abdad, SPOG is 2023 graduate of University Airlangga and the only OBGYN specialist serving in Fakfak, West Papua. Working in remote areas whose reproductive health literacy is still low, she often encounters cases of early pregnancy, unsafe sexual behavior, and limited knowledge about STIs and prevention. That's real challenge inspired her to use social media to share simple and accessible education about safe sex, pregnancy risks, and HPV related issues. Her experience in remote areas show how professional influencers can use their platform not only to spread information but also to support public health and increase awareness in places where education is still limited. Through this approach, she helped reduce stigma, improve understanding, and encourage preventive actions among young audience. Next, Panes.
So, the conclusion is influencer culture delivers clear benefits like empowering everyday people to build careers, share valuable knowledge on topics such as mental health and social issues, and create stronger online communities that foster positive change. At the same time, it poses real risks by spreading unrealistic beauty standards that fuel anxiety and low self-esteem, while passing impulsive purchases through hidden ads that blur the line between genuine advice and marketing. Overall, this dual nature demands careful management to maximize gains without letting harm spread unchecked.
Okay guys, that's all from us.
Thank you for your attention and thank you for listening.
We hope you can understand our presentation and we apologize for any mistakes.
Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.